Hey, how's it going, viewers? This video is about the torque converter. Okay, if you change the main bearings or take the engine out in any way, like I did, and you go to reinstall it, you put everything in, attach the flex plate to the torque converter, and go to turn over the crank and it won't turn. That means most likely your torque converter has popped out, which mine did. As you can see now, pretty flush. Okay, but it was sticking out about a ½ inch. Alright, so when I bolted it in, it seized up. What you gotta do is you gotta take the engine fucking back out, and then take the torque converter out. I used this crowbar gently, because it was a little stuck. Took it out, I just cleaned up the area, put a little transmission fluid on the other side of the torque converter so it would go in better. Spun it, put it back in, and as you can see, like I showed you, it's now lined up pretty perfect. And yeah, so if you're putting the engine in and it doesn't spin, take it back out and check your converter, man, because that torque converter might be popping out a little bit. Another good indicator is you see the starter, right? Bam. So when I put it in, the teeth go right there. If yours is sticking out and you pull the starter, the teeth will not go all the way flush with these teeth. It'll barely be on there. So that's a clear indicator that your torque converter has popped out a little bit. Hope it helps.